Watch their YouTube channel. I don't know the name of it, but watch it. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Anyways, we got some surprises today. Hopefully the weather allows us. Considering that Miami is rain 1 minute, hurricane the next, and then sunny the next minute after that. We're going to our friends the B group, which is not being biased, but it is where I bought my GTR from. I also bought, no, I didn't buy it. Sorry, a friend of mine also bought his GTR as well from there. Plus a couple of guys that we know about their imported cars from there that have amazing cars, amazing quality control, and they never seem to stop impressing you with the quality of cars that they get. So hopefully we got a good one for you guys today. Let's see where we go from there. If the weather keeps up, if it doesn't, then we'll make it work somehow.
See you guys there.
Stay tuned. Here's Leo, all nervous and shit. All right, cool. I don't know what he's nervous for. It's not like we're getting paid for this.
Not yet. We're gonna have so many tapes cut.
That's fine. There you go. See, start there.
Ready? Today we're here at Group B's Imports. We're gonna be checking out some cars, and hopefully you guys like it. Let's go.
They got everything from classics to crazy contraptions. Here, Leo.
Yeah, you definitely fit in there.
Here. I think I could fit in there. You need about 100-pound guy to fit in that thing. I don't fit in there.
Yeah, bro, this is like really for very small.
Get the inside of that.
Look at that.
It's like I could probably fit my hand. Look at that. That's a very small. You got this thing. What's the nickname for this? Metro Busa? Suzuki Swift Busa. So Metro Busa. How about that? We'll call it the Metro Busa. The sketch machine. Check this out, guys. This is one of my favorite ones. Old school Carrera RSR.
Wow.
Full air cooled. None of that mumbo jumbo with coolant. Completely restored. Look at this interior. Look at that. Anything like this you guys want, these guys have got you.
Move over here.
This one is officially sold. It's gonna get some work done by the customer. The customer wants some work done to it. However, this is one of my other favorite ones. This is the owner's car. Makes you want to do bad things to my GTR. But single turbo, guys, 6-speed manual swap. Okay? 6-speed manual. It's a must on every single R33. If you have an R33 and you don't have a 6-speed manual, you need to recheck your life, like me, because I have a 5-speed manual. Check this out. Typical DeLorean, or you think it's a typical DeLorean, but when you got down here some derp skis, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my god.
LS power turbo, completely custom made, and for the haters so they can see it.
For the haters.
Completely ran by Haltech standalone.
Let's see what's inside.
Back to the Future, huh? They definitely took it Back to the Future here.
Jeez, dude.
Let me
I'm
see
sure
something.
this thing
You think I
could.
can fit in here? Oh, I'm fat.
That's good. That's good.
Nah, I can't get up. I need.
Look at this thing.
Gotta roll out of this
Oh
thing.
my gosh, the body kit on this thing.
It's on airbags too, by the way. And you got this beautiful, completely stock R33 GTR. It's a real OG right here. We got 4-way steering wheel. Completely stock. We'll be here all day, guys, if we start showing you every single car.
Little
So
sneak
how about
peek.
you subscribe, give that thumbs up, give us a like, and get ready to start watching some real test rides.
Yes, sir. All right,
No
guys.
bias here.